It's alright, Fig. Oh, Figaro, quit that. Come on, come this way. Come this way. There, oh, good, 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 good. Oh, no, go the other way. Come on. Come on. Come this way. This is like the 6th time in the year that I've lived here. You are being ridiculous. Well, Figs is crying because he does not like to be locked in that side of the porch. But I guess I'm just going to have to sit tight and until he leaves. Hopefully it'll be soon, but sometimes it can take like several hours before they figure it out. He just went! Oh, I didn't get it though. Darn it. Yay, he's free.